Hello, my name is Holman Fuentes. In this occasion, to invite you to Paipa, Boyacá. The swamp of Vargas and where thermals are placing more nearby and tourism of Paipa, Boyacá. It is ubicated a few minutes of the Paipa town in Boyacá into the road alternative that connects the town of the Paipa with Uitama, Boyacá. In this place, you can enjoy the natural environment for the run, exercise practice, walk into the camp, take a break so native your skin with a swim, water medicinal. Naturals how are the water thermals of Paipa. In this place the travel time takes 2 hours and 30 minutes from Bogota and 20 minutes from the town of Duitama. Means of transport. There are used means of transport in this town, such as municipal buses and rural buses, besides using bicycles. So it is a small place to walk and travel around in a short time, plus there is a never traffic to travel. Activities to do. In Paipa, in this place, you can enjoy the natural environmental for the run, exercise, practice, walking to the camp. Take a break so native your skin with swim water medicinal naturals how are the water thermals of Paipa. Places to stay. In Paipa, Boyacá, there are expensive but very nice hotels near Lake Sochagota on the outskirts of Paipa. Among them are the Cold Subsidio Hotel chain, the Panorama Hotel, and the Sochagota Hotel, among others to say and spend with family. Typical foods in this town are famous typical foods such as almohanas, masato, bono bread, soup such as kuchukov, wheat, corn of barley with beef backbone, and Chilean fish stew, mute, sopa de indios, mondongo, and mazamorra, and genovas. Thank you so much.